everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, should we wait or go ahead because it is early in the morning when the day is just.
Good morning, all.
Hey, Kalpana, you there?
Yes, Rajeshwar, I'm here.
Should we wait or should we move forward?
Let's wait for 5 more minutes.
Okay, let's start at 6:10. Is that okay, everyone?
Yeah. Is that going to be some kind of break, like 10 minutes in between, or no break?
Like, see, today it is not anything about something, it's about how the training is.
Okay.
It will not be 2 hours, it will only be 1 hour plus also. That's the training introduction. From tomorrow, it will be 2. Okay.
Okay.
Can I ask you one question?
Yes,
Yeah.
go ahead.
I'm trying to look for, it's a scenario-based question. If you are okay, I can ask you, or else I can ask you after the call is done.
You have doubts?
Yeah.
So see, this is not for doubts. Tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Every day, 9:30 a.m. There is a doubt session.
Okay.
The same link that you have to write, the same link you can ask to that doubt session.
Okay.
Okay. That is Monday to Friday.
There is no doubt session.
Monday to Friday, you can ask.
Okay. After 9:30 morning, right?
9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Fine.
Rajeshwar,
Yeah.
doubt session is not today.
No, doubt session is on Monday to Friday.
Oh, not today.
No. Today is kickoff session about the training.
Okay.
Okay, then we'll join after 10 minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
I have one question regarding the timing. So for all the 45 days, the timing should be same.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I have one question, Rajeshwar. For doubt session, the same link is going to use.
Yeah, the same.
So this one link is going to be useful for whole entire week.
Yes, this week, the total training session as well as doubt session.
Oh, okay. Because I started to inquire a couple of months back. There was a 2 weeks.
Yeah, at that time, we was a daily one. At that time, we used to give. Now we made it at 2 hours a week. So that is why we have reduced it to 1.
Before just a 1 week, 1 hour training.
Yeah, earlier it was 1 hour a week.
Oh, okay.
Now it is reduced to 2 hours.
And we have the sequel also doubt session here.
See, if you have any notes, you can ask them as well. But there is nothing special like that also.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, let us go take this session forward. Okay, so before moving forward with scenario-based Tableau training, the best thing and the most advantageous thing with Tableau is that there is no coding cost. Anyone have any background with Tableau? Anyone know? Have you ever used the Tableau? Anyone in here?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, I have.
But there is a logical and some kind of logical thinking also, like
Logical thinking is required, but no coding cost.
Right, calculated fields, right? That is good.
calculated, there is some kind of if you do some aggregation or concatenation to two different this
But-
thing.
That doesn't come under coding cost, because that is where you are just tracking the logic. That is correct.
Yeah, that's true.
So that is the reason. Even for those, the logics that we need to track for that, we have planned something called a scenario based. Okay, so even before going into that, I want to show you the power of this plan. Now, see, this is one image that is having a world map with a legend, which is about the what do you say, the densities of it, right? With one map, we can clearly understand with one map and a legend, we can clearly understand how the population is present across the world, especially something like Mumbai or Hyderabad. If you go here, you can clearly understand which area the population is high, which is moderate, and which is. Now imagine it's the same thing like in a tabular form. You have to maintain the temper, the whatever the place that is, the population of that place. In between, if there is any non-populated area about that, all that information. So here you are able to see only one image with one legend, but if just imagine if you want to tabulate this data, whatever you had, if you had to tabulate this data, how many rows of data you need, right? So with one image, we can tell the story of some thousands, if not millions of those. So that, my friends, is the power of data visualization. Right? Now, that is the reason every company wants to visualize their data. Every company wants to visualize their data and understand more about their data, so that whatever decisions that they take in the business are data driven. Whatever data they have is totally data driven, so that the decision earlier before data visualization of something, mining the data, it was like just a trial and error. They used to try something. If it worked, if it not, then they would have resorted to some other process. But now with the data driven decision making, that is not the right. So that is where people like us are going to matter a lot for the companies, because we are the people who are going to help companies visualize them. Now, data visualization tools that are in the market, like just the Tableau, Power BI, Maya, Microsoft, and all. The total market growth, the data visualization market growth was $11.79 billion. With a compound growth rate of 0.40%. So just imagine the growth of the industry as well as the percentage growth, which will, what is there in this? What does this matter for us? This matters because there is a huge lot of money in the market, and at the same time, when there is a huge lot of money and huge lot of growth, there are huge lot of jobs. So the growth for us, I'm not only talking about Tableau. Once you enter into the industry, Tableau is a gateway to enter into the market of data research. Once you enter into this, then we can start, like we can start understanding the industry. If we can look at the future, your growth also might be compared. It is a very right. So coming to the point of Tableau, why should you learn Tableau? Right? Data visualization is a layman term. When it is Tableau, right? Data visualization has become a layman. Earlier, for anything that we need to build for data visualization, we need to write that front-end coding, all this, you need it. But with the Tableau, everything became drag and everything you can drag it around and get your own. Right? Along with that, it is market leader for more than a decade. This is the, what do you say? This is here, if you can see here in this Tableau was a leader in 2015. Right? This is a Gartner's chart which shows which is the leader and which are struggling and all. But you see, Tableau was a market leader here. Tableau was a market leader in 2015, and even now, this 2021, again, I will say 21. Even now, here Tableau is a market. The reason being, it is a trendsetter in the market with this type of focus. They made drag and drop. They made the tool diagram, and every other tool from that point started following this. Everyone started developing a UI just like this, which will contain drag and drop, so that we need not write any coding on. So that is why he is a market leader for almost a decade. And the best part of this is anyone can learn. When I say anyone can learn, the point is to learn Tableau, you need to not know anything. That is the beauty with Tableau. To learn Tableau, you need not know anything at all. The reason is with the Tableau, as first it is the UI is very easy, understanding and developing and everything is very easy with Tableau. And secondly, you don't have any coding or stuff. Only thing is, as people already pointed out, you need to write certain calculations. Yes, for that, you need to understand all these functions. You need to understand all these functions. And then, along with this, you have to understand these functions and write your logic. Now, we will be helping you to understand those concepts. What those current. We will be guiding you. Okay? As I already told, no coding is no scripting, easy to use. Along with that, there is a rise in demand for a Tableau development. There is a huge rise in demand. The number of jobs and all are very huge when it is for a Tableau developers. I have seen people getting around 6 to 7 offers. There were people who had 6 to 7 offers in hand and were confused what to do. That was the demand for Tableau. And this is very continue, you can continue working in the same industry in better manner. What do I mean by that? With something like Tableau, every company is saying, let it be a mechanical company, pharma company, any company that. Because they want to take data-driven decisions. As they want to take data-driven decisions, for every company they do that. Because, the thing is, majority of the people, if you just want basic reports and all, majority of the people, companies, I know a CEO of a company who purchased laptop, purchased the Tableau, installed it in the system, and watched certain videos and built certain. He came to me only, he has certain doubts. After the, I think Kalpana found this. Half an hour, 42 minutes, he took over time. He had certain basic doubts. Based on that, we built that. So that is how anyone who can start working on that. So, in the same way, certain companies, certain mechanical engineering company, have started using Tableau. Then, if you are from a mechanical background, who has Tableau, right? Who knows Tableau, then you are a win-win situation because you are a mechanical background guy with Tableau. So for them, they can give you Tableau work and you understand how they function. So that way, the win-win for both you and them. So that is why if you don't Tableau, there is a chance. It's not that everyone will get that, but if you are from the same, you are from half mind, you learn Tableau, then also you can continue working with them. And obviously, it is widely as to the market leader in the worldwide. So as it is widely used, the building is always simple. And you can prepare yourself for the future. Now, when we say that you can prepare future for the future economy, here the total industry is moving total industry. Because now you see data analysis, data science, data management, experts, business intelligence, all these words are very much possible. So recently, world has huge amounts of data and it wants to mine that data. Everything coming from weather to climatic changes to economy to commodities to everything is data. So the total economy is moving towards data. And this, whether the data availability is network, Tableau data availability, but this is the steady state. From here, you can set your path to the right? And Tableau can visualize large amounts of data. As I told you, companies are trying to visualize huge amounts of data. And for that, Tableau is a very best alternative. The reason being, it is having huge amounts of data. And it has the ability to crunch those huge amounts. That is why Tableau is the best and strong community in Tableau has successfully built such a great community. Whereas the community.tableau.com, Telegram, WhatsApp, whatnot. And people are ready to provide solutions. These are I am providing, right? Like every day with the notes. So people are ready to provide solutions no matter at any given point. They are ready to provide. So you have a very strong community element. So that there will be people who are, I don't say that as hand holding, but there are people who will help you address, who will help you learn. right? Now, it is already we have already discussed it almost from 2015, even before that, it was there, but I got only from 2015. From 2015 to 2021, right? Now 2022 as it is our market, right? So before going to scenario-based Tableau training, do you have any doubts? What was?
I have one question, Rajeshwar.
Yeah.
Like scenario-based training, if there is one kind of scenario is going to create and resolve or to resolve the issue, and that's the training will be.
That means the first one, we waited for the first five sessions, you'll understand clearly what is that. To give you a glimpse, see, now if you want to build your dashboard, right, you want to build your dashboard, then dashboard is made up of individual views. So for every view, you consider that as a scenario. Okay. So that is how we have designed the.
Okay. And this 45 days period which we have a training, it's a good enough amount of time to get.
Okay. Hello. Okay. You can ask your doubt later. You can don't give your voices at all. Okay. So now this is scenario-based Tableau training, in which me, Karishwar Party, and Kalpana will be good. Maybe initially Kalpana will be good. Now, when it comes to the training part, I am a data geek who will teach you data and actually loves solving complicated problems. That is where Tableau is. Actually, as I told you, Tableau is a good to learn. And I am a guy who is afraid of putting in the thing. Yet, I am able to, what do you say, master a Tableau because it's only logic. Tableau is all those logic, everything is about the logic and logic. Right? That is the beauty of Tableau. So, I will be one of the trainers and I will be taking care of the logical part and Kalpana to that.
Yes, Rajeshwar, I'm here. Hi guys, my name is Kalpana Raipati. So I'm one of those who started my career in Tableau. Like I worked on other technologies, but from the first successful version of Tableau, I was working in Tableau. So that was Tableau 7. I think much of you haven't heard about that version. But as for training, I'll be dealing with the functional part of Tableau, whereas Rajeshwar will deal with the logical part of Tableau. So in these 45 days, every scenario that we are learning gives that much experience in Tableau, so that gives feasibility to work with Tableau. So all that you will experience that in first 1 week. So give that everything on me. I'll make you comfortable to start working on Tableau. So once you see, when the session, it is scheduled for 45 days, if you are coming along with us, then you will be that much familiarized with Tableau to start your career in Tableau. It is not that you are listening to 2-hour session and again you are coming back tomorrow morning and again you are listening. Means that is not the way that we are that you need to learn Tableau. So you need to practice and then you can have a bright or fruitful career in Tableau. I'm not saying that. Even the jobs that market is offering, even now the packages that Tableau is offering, everything is giving you a roadmap for next 4 to 5 years. That is for sure. Tableau will be there forever, but as we are saying, for 5 years, you can sustain in Tableau with a good package. So it is not my word, it is not Rajeshwar's word. Go to Naukri or go to any job portal and apply for Tableau. Even keep a fake resume. Look at the uh, packages that Tableau professional is getting, and then you can get then you can understand what Tableau is. Okay. Apart from that, when it comes to training part, we make sure that you learn to an extent how a 4 to 5 professional years experience guy is working. That much experience you will get with our training. That is what I can say as of today. From tomorrow onwards, we can see what Tableau is really. Okay, Rajeshwar, you can go ahead.
Yeah. So coming to what scenario-based Tableau training is, any tool has two things. One is understanding about the what is, what are these, what happens when you drag it, what options are available, and what are the all these options that you all. Along with this, the industrial application using this, you are getting, you are representing them. At the same time, you are building a dashboard, bringing all these views into. Then building your dashboards. How do you build the dashboard? How do you build the dashboards? How do you achieve, like whenever someone is doing something, how do you get all that? That is the industrial part, industrial level of people. So what we have done is we have divided the training. First part will be self-paced videos, every week and I will be telling you which videos you need to watch before coming to the session. And in the session, we will be discussing about the session. Right? So that is how it is going to move on. And it will start from the very basics. The training is going to start from the very basic to very advanced. So, like about that, we will discuss after the first 5 days of the session, right? Then we will discuss whether it is from the basic. You people will tell you, not we tell you, right? And when it comes to scenario, what does it cover? Some scenarios that will help you improve the understanding of the field. And there are the most common real-time scenarios, right? Mostly, and the complicated scenarios that are present among even those. And if you have a scenario, you can bring it to the session. You can discuss it. Right? The duration is 45 days to 2 months. 45 to 60 days. Right? So that can see, it is not about the duration. We are the commitment is need to understand what happens. So the duration is not a constraint. The main constraint is you learning. Right? So that is for the scenario based to bring. And what do you get in this meeting? You will have an unpacked 100 plus hours of Tableau training. And on which 30 plus hours of on-demand content, which is the theoretical part that it will be, right? The theoretical part, you will have 30 plus hours of theoretical content and 70 plus hours of live content. And we will be building one dashboard of you so that you will understand how the dashboards are built so that you can work about them together. And we can here we'll be solving the real-time scenarios in life. When we are saying that we are solving the real-time scenarios in life, we are not just going to give you the code, okay, this is how every step what we go from, we will be validating it so that it is easy for you whenever you want to do the same work. And you have business assignment along with the mock learning and social profile building. If you want social profile building, we can help you build that LinkedIn profile and also that you will get the good outcomes. And post training, the doubts resolving and keep this incentive change daily. Daily 9:30 until 2:30. So we have daily talk session for you to attend and address your work. Along with that, we have a mobile app so that if you are not present with the front of your system, even then you cannot really want to attend from the mobile, you can directly attend from the mobile. And these are some of my students' achievements, right? Majority of them they got high-paying job, they are working in MNCs. And the max height our students got is 300%, is 4 LPA. From 4 LPA, he jumped down to 16. And now we have read more than 3 actually, with not 7, 3, okay, so that is about the training. That is about the training and how the training. And from tomorrow, you will be attending the for first 1 week, where there will be a gap, and post which you can decide whether to go. Okay. And these are the commercials. And end of this week, 26th, 30th, this 30th September, 30th September. And then begin with the growth. 18,000. Else, after that it is 20,000. Then it is 45 days. And you can contact these two numbers to 912 9892 Okay. Any other doubts, please?
You told me like the installment option for the fee.
You can talk to them. You can talk.
Rajeshwar, I have a question regarding not fees and also. The question I have, after the training, it's going to be going to hands-on for us. How many hours we need to put the this thing?
Practice at least not after the training, during the training also, after you attend the session. Every day minimum 2 to 3 hours, you have to put it back.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because
And
yeah,
and logical, like, and that's very questions when you get the when you have the end user get the requirement and they over the meeting they say the requirement. So that is also included how to get understanding based requirement and based on that to create the Tableau report. Because that is also important, right?
yeah, that is what the scenario is all about. Right? But the point is, whenever a client is into the scenario or situation to be solved, you have to get the requirements from the training. We will tell you how to get those requirements. But you have to, it is like majority of the people what I have seen when I'm working with, they are not that straightforward with the client in getting the requirement. What happens is he takes something whether they understood it clearly or not, that is the question. If you understand it clearly, then you clearly know from our process of solving it, our process of training, you clearly know how to do it.
Yeah, you are absolutely right, Rajeshwar, because it takes time to understand. Some of the companies do not give like a business requirement document. Stages over the meeting, they say, okay, we want this, and they don't know anything about them because end users just want to good, nice visualization. That's it. Then there is nothing they are expecting, or they should be see the data, they should be see their whatever they are expecting, but real time they just in meeting they just use some of the few words. That's it.
Yeah.
So how to handle that situation?
That is what I'm saying. You have to insist on getting the things correct. See, in my client meeting, someone is giving me an answer. I will make sure I ask not once or twice. I sometimes ask 3 3 or 4 times to get my requirements correct. I need to understand my requirements. There is no other way to do it. The only way is either they should explain it clearly or you should make them explain.
Okay.
So it has happened. So happened one scenario, someone has told me for a solution. We finally got the solution. But when they went to the client, it was not what they were expecting. It was something other. So that day, he spent 4 days of time solving that. When he went back, that is not what the client is. Right?
Yeah.
You have to be very clear in getting those things.
Okay.
You need to talk, you need to ask them for some time. Now, is this what you are? And one more thing is, now they don't expect you to build it in one go. Often generally it will be a frequent meeting. Generally it will be 99% will be a daily meeting, ground call or something.
Yeah. Some of the organization is not that great. They just orally give some requirements and we need to build, and then after that they give suggestions.
This ground call, the advantage, whatever they have, today you can build it. Tomorrow you can do it. That from the day they give you that, this is not what happened. See, because when they are giving you requirements, it is we who should get the requirements correct. To get that, what possible way to that? Generally, you take the recordings of it. Like generally,
This is what I'm doing right now because sometimes they talk, and the end of the thing, oh, time is over. So I thought it's just recording and listening what they're saying, which field they really need to see in our report. So that's only one thing right now I'm doing. Just understand the requirement and just record and understand them, and then later on I just
that is what you need to understand what they said. Right? See, any discussion between us or it will submit to teachers when you understood the requirement. Because what they want, if you are clear about that, then only you can build. So to get that clear, either you have to pinpoint them like this is what you or based on their requirement, create a workspace to get this is what you
you are 100% I agree. You are absolutely right. I'm just like, yeah, we need to communicate.
Where the requirement itself is not clear, then you can do 100 things with the, but again, when you go back, because then that is not what they're expecting. Then again, you should start again from the right?
Oh, yes. Yeah. And one more thing, 2 to 3 hours every day after even the training.
Yeah.
I put
No
the
problem.
practice and then videos watching and all the stuff. Like within a 45-60 days, I'm capable to build the dashboard, not even build the dashboard, understanding why this dashboard is creating, what is the logic behind that, and all the
It's not nothing. Logics are not that. Yes, we'll understand whatever the things are there in the but sometimes some logics for me, some logic sometimes cracking the logic might take an hour, but sometimes it might take. So when it is logic, how to crack it, sometimes it might be easy, sometimes it might be wrong. But yes, you'll be very much used with the interface and how to use all these functions and all. So that you can, whenever you are trying to solve this scenario, it will be a good thing.
Yeah, and we will have the like after the training, are you guys giving some kind of homework that this is need to be
So not something like homework, but you can practice whatever is being told in the here, because we will be having enough scenarios for you. Just there are very good number of scenarios for you to put and practice.
So, 9:30 without steer will be for 2 hours or 1 hour?
9:30 to 10, it is only half an hour, because it's a daily session, right? That is only fun. Like sometimes 10-15 minutes more, 10-15, 10-20. But it's mostly half an hour, 45 minutes. So it's a daily thing, right?
Oh, yes, sure. And everybody gets chance to talk, right? Within half an hour.
Pardon?
Everybody gets a chance to resolve their issues.
Still we can, because I cannot take it for 1 and 2 hours here. Whoever, whatever we can address that day, we can address. That's what we move it to take the things.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, okay then everyone. Any other doubts? Please?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, for this, if we need any like more information, we have to talk to those numbers, right?
Yeah.
Like, and about like the fee
Sure.
structure or like installments or yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
like
Yeah.
yeah, it's like in for most it will be like we are familiar with the most of the like interface and the problem solving or the training.
Yeah. You become familiar with all this. That's the training.
Okay, thanks.
Oh. Okay then everyone. We'll meet again tomorrow the same thing. It's same. And the training will start from. Okay. Oh,
Tomorrow we will complete the 2 hours, right?
yeah, completely.
Before you go for Aditya, I want to say something like I watched your all the videos on YouTube and you are superb. That,
Thank
that's why I joined this course. Like I want to learn everything one-on-one with this sir. So thank you.
you. Yeah, we will definitely move forward on that and we'll definitely.
Do you have YouTube channel, Aditya?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
What is the name of your channel?
So the right part. Let me do it.
Oh, and every video is very good here.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks for helping us.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Aditya.
Thank you, welcome.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, like from tomorrow directly we can attend with like for 1 week, right? With
that's for 1 week using the same,
same.
the same link that's in the program, right? We can do it.
Okay, thank you.
Hi,
Well,
have a good day.
use the same link to join the session. Okay, then everyone, we'll again meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Bye.
And have a
Yeah, thank you. Bye.